Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Zotero plugin side of it with a browser of choice. Okay, so if we jump over to our browser, and in Chrome you go Windows Extensions and it'll take you here, and these are all the little extensions that you can add to your browser to do funky stuff. So down here we've got Zotero Connector. So this is the one that this plugin is going to talk to our standalone, and dump our references in there. So we've just got to make sure that we've got it on, and we decide what permissions that this has actually got. So how would I use it whilst I'm at SAE? So for example, I jump over to the library website, I type in media for a search, hit search. It's going to bring me to this page, which is my search results, right? These are the things that the library system search engine spat back at me when I typed in the word media. Notice over here I can have peer reviewed, and I check that box. It's only going to show me the peer reviewed articles. Very important. So let's say the first one, just for ease, is the one I want. I click view ebook and it's going to bring me here. So now I'm using the library, but how do I grab this and put it into Zotero? Easy peasy. What we need to do is just look up here. And what we'll see on this little icon that looks like a book is when I'm on Zotero, it looks like a page. Save to Zotero web page with a snapshot. If I go over to my results and my ebook, notice that the icon has changed and it says Save to Zotero ProQuest. Ebook Central has access to this site. Okay, cool. So one tip or word of warning. Back in Zotero standalone, depending on which folder or subfolder you're in, that's where the new reference is going to go when you click the button. So we're in AIM-110, that's the module I'm studying for. I'm going to jump back to my browser. I've made a search. Here's my search results. Here's the book I actually want. Click the book icon. Okay? And in the background, Zotero's done all the work for us. AIM-110. Yep, okay, cool. Saving to AIM-110. Job done. Now maybe we want to go and do some other things. We want to go and we've searched YouTube for some video stuff that we want. We can come back here. Now this is changed to a camera icon or a kind of video icon. I can hit that and that's going to save this to Zotero as well. Maybe I've found a playlist suggested by Bandcamp Daily that I really like and I want to save. Notice that this is now changed to another icon. So this icon is going to change depending on what website you're on. Go. Saving that to my AIM-110 folder. Yeah, maybe I'm in Amazon.com and I've been reading a paper book. I want to find that book on genre in Amazon, and oh, genre study, there we are. Teaching fiction and non-fiction. Fantastic. I go into that book. Notice what's happening up here. Change to a book icon. Click that. Save to AIM-110. So in the background, what's actually going on? If we jump back to Zotero, we can see that in the background it's added the Bandcamp link that I showed you the YouTube video that I grabbed, and the genre study book that I found at Amazon. And just by clicking that one button in our browser, it hoovered up all of this information. What is it? It's a book. What title was it under? What was the author's name? A quick abstract, which is extracted from the Amazon data. The edition, the place, the publisher, the date, how many pages, ISBN, blah, 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 and the date that you added it to your collection. Fantastic. So one button click did all of this for me. Yeah, here's the video, and here's the Bandcamp stuff. Okay, so we're slowly building up our collection of goodies over here that we might want to use when we're writing our essay. Next, I'll show you how to actually do that in the following videos. Thanks a lot.